Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking crispy salt and pepper shrimp. So let's start cooking. We'll now start to prepare our prawns. I have with me over here 10 medium-sized prawns, which I've snipped off the center part like this and removed the vein. This is approximately 300 grams. We'll add in 1 egg white of an egg. Gently just mix them up first. Right? And then we add in 2 tablespoons of cornflour. Same thing, gently just mix them up. Coat them up a little bit because we want our prawns to be crispy on the outside. Once this is done, we'll just set them aside and I'll show you how I prepare the rest of the ingredients. Now we'll prepare our seasoning. I have with me over here 1.5 teaspoons of fine salt. Add in 1/4 teaspoon of fine spice powder. Add in also 1/4 teaspoon of grounded white pepper, as well as 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Now if you don't want your dish to be too peppery, you can reduce the amount of pepper. If you don't have white pepper, you can just use black pepper, or if you don't have black pepper, you can just use white pepper, it's fine. We just mix this up. Once this is ready, we'll set this aside and we'll go and cook our prawns. Now we're going to shallow fry our prawns. I'm using my Le Creuset buffet casserole. We are going to check whether the oil is hot enough or not. If we see the oil sizzling around the chopstick, that means it's hot enough. We will now proceed to fry our prawns. Give it one final mix up before we put it in. Be very careful when you put the prawns in because they might splatter. If you want to reduce the splatter, you can always remove the eyes. Don't overcrowd the pan. I'm using medium-high heat now. Prawns cook pretty fast, so now we'll just turn it to the other side. Right, they are super crispy now. This is what we want. A little bit charred and very crispy. They're basically cooked already. We remove them from oil and proceed to fry the rest of the prawns. Now we'll put the dish together. Heat up a pan, add in just a little bit of oil. Swirl the oil around a little bit. Add in 3 pieces of shallots chopped up. Stir them up a little bit. I'm using medium heat at this moment. We just want to release the fragrance from the shallots. Once you can smell the beautiful fragrance from the shallots, we add in our garlic. Add in 3 cloves of garlic chopped. Move them around. Same thing, we want to release the fragrance from the garlic. Once you can smell the beautiful fragrance from the garlic, we add in our prawns. Add the prawns in. Mix them up. Now we add in our salt mixture. Okay. Don't add in everything at one go, just add in 1 teaspoon first. Right, just do this thing, toss it around. Do another round. And finally, the rest of it all. It is going to be so good. Now we'll turn off the flame, add in some spring onion, chopped up. Mix them up, and it's time to have our lunch. And now the dish is done, let's have a taste. Wow. Very, very fragrant. The fine spice powder, the pepper, the crispiness of the prawns. This is really a very good dish. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. It's yum. Hi and welcome to Shrimp and Prawns. Shrimp and Prawns. Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. 你要讲，我讲，我讲，我有点笑。你要讲。